Good morning, students. I am Venus Baby Paka, your teacher for English subject. So, for today's lesson, we're going to discuss about how to describe persons, things, and objects, knowing the importance of the book, and describe the denote senses. So, students, let me ask you some questions. Do you have any books? Do you take care of it? How do you take care of your books? Plot the do's in cleaning a book in a bubble map. You put on the bubble map on how books should be cleaned. So now, I'm going to show you the parts of the book. The title page contains the title of the book and the name of its author or authors. The copyright page contains the name of the publisher of the book and its date of publication. The acknowledgement page shows the author's gratitude to the persons who helped him or her in writing the book, especially those who allowed him or her to borrow ideas from them. The dedication page shows to whom the author shows loyalty and love in the book. The preface states that the author's aim in writing the book and describe its important features. The table of contents presents the list of topics or titles of the articles in the book with their corresponding page numbers. The text makes up the body of the book. It is usually divided into units or chapters. The glossary is a list of important words used in the book and their meanings. The bibliography is a list of books used by the author as sources of information. The index is an alphabetical list of names of persons, places, and topics discussed in the book with their corresponding page numbers. Let me ask you again a question, my dear students. So, what are the parts of the book mentioned in the dialogue? So, who are the two characters in the dialogue? You're right. We have book, book, and bookie. What book feel when those little hands tearing his pages? You're right. Very good. Book feel painful and sad because those little hands tearing his pages. These are the examples of descriptive words and adjectives. With adjectives, the writer creates a picture in the reader's mind. The purpose of the description is to create a more vivid or clear picture for a person, thing, or place. To make the description vivid, it must appeal to the sense of sight, hearing, smell, touch, and taste. List at least 3 descriptions of each senses into a chart. Write the missing letters to form the correct spelling of the following words. The words refer to the different parts of a book. Complete each word web. Write adjectives in the boxes to describe a person. So, as the generalization of this lesson, do descriptive words help you to see, hear, taste, smell, and feel the object being described? Probably, yes. It appeals to the senses of sight, and your writing will look dimension. So now, my dear students, I want you to do a role play using the 5 senses. So that's all for today. Goodbye, class.